Hey y'all, GeForce Productions here. So recently I got my hands on a DJI Mini 2 drone. Because most amusement parks have a strict no drone policy, you probably won't see that much coaster content filmed from the drone. However, because this channel has other things on it besides coasters, I decided to put some drone footage on here too, because it really looks cool. The footage you're seeing here is slowly panning around Purdue's campus from an altitude of approximately 200 feet. Because of the airspace around the airport, at this point, the maximum altitude you can fly at is 200 feet. From this vantage point, you can see Mackey Arena and Ross-Ade Stadium up close, with the academic buildings spreading out in the background. In addition, I got some cool shots of the Boilermaker statue, which stands next to Ross-Ade Stadium, and you can see those here.